So the area of a sector is simply 1/2 the radius squared times the central angle, or the central angle is a measurement given in radians. This is a mistake a lot of students are going to make, but it cannot be in degrees. So here, if I just want to find the area of this orange striped sector, I simply take the radius squared times the central angle in radians divided by 2. Let's look at an example. Let's say I have some circle where the diameter is 140 feet and the central angle is 120 degrees. Well, off the bat, I know my radius is going to be half my diameter, so I'm going to use 70 feet for my radius. But my central angle, I'm going to need to convert that to radians because I cannot use degrees for my formula. So if you haven't already, review my videos on converting your degrees to radians and vice versa. But a quick crash course, I simply take my given angle and I multiply by this ratio. 1 pi has 180 degrees. My degrees will cancel out, and I'm left with the ratio 140 divided by 180. That's 2/3, and I slap on that pi at the end. So putting it all together, my area that I get is going to be 70 squared, that's my radius, times the central angle in radians, all divided by 2, and I should get about 5,000-ish feet squared, right? Because we're talking about area. One more example. Let's say I give you the option of having 2 pizzas. One that's very wide but short, and the other one that's very long but thin. Which pizza is going to have the most of it? Well, again, using my formulas, I simply input the data here. The length or radius of this pizza is 6 inches, whereas this one is 7 inches. And my angles are in degrees, so I'm simply going to convert 60 degrees is pi over 3, 45 degrees is pi over 4. The overall area is therefore 18.8 for this pizza and 19.2 for this pizza. So obviously, if I wanted more pizza, I'll go with this one.